If you have jam and oats, turn them into delicious jam and oaty squares. For the base, start off by creaming your butter and sugar. Add the egg with vanilla mixed in. Once creamed, set this aside. To the flour, add salt, corn flour and baking powder, and coconut. The recipe will be towards the end of the video. Mix all of the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until it forms a soft dough. You're going to have to use your hands to make the dough. Press all of the dough into a greased oven pan. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. For the topping, start with melted margarine. To that, add in your honey, or you could use golden syrup, and mix this together. Now add in your oats as well as coconut. Now set this aside. Spread jam onto the base of the half-baked tart. Now spread the oats topping. Spread on some nuts of your choice or even almonds. And then bake at 180 degrees for a further 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy!